Hello and welcome back to yet another video on Block UI Styler. Have you seen any Block Styler dialog which adds the feature into your model and the same dialog can remove that feature from your model? If not, then I am going to show you that Block Styler example in this video. In this video, we are going to see the selection example from sample NX Open applications. If you go to that particular folder, let me show you that folder. In this folder, sample NX Open applications under .NET Block UI Styler selection example. This is what I am talking about. So without wasting time, let's run that example. I'm going to play it through journal. I am playing the VB file. This shall open that dialog. Yeah, so we can see this dialog is here. Now let's try using it. What I will do now, I will select the edges for adding chamfer. So let's say this edge I have used, I have selected for adding chamfer, and I will untick this option, limit edges to same face. I can only provide chamfer angle. I'm not providing any value here. That is not an option in this dialog. So let's click on apply. Now let's see what happens. We have got exception. The chamfer cannot be created. End condition may be such that all faces could not be properly connected. Yeah. So this is why this particular option is given. Let's tick this option now and try once more. Oops, there is no selected edge. Let's select this one. Again, the same thing. It looks like that there is something in this dialog which is created and which is set in this chamfer feature that is not that is restricting us to create that feature. So maybe I'm not using it on the right model. That may be the case. But now let's try with this particular edge. Something went wrong. I haven't selected a edge. Let's filter the edge and yeah, let's filter the edge. Now let's try the same thing again. Maybe I'm not using it on right part. It's perfectly fine. Let's try it on something else. So I have another example as well. What I will do is we will just reset this dialog and let's start over. Now I will select this edge. Again, looks like some issue. So let me do this. Exit the journal and play it again. This is same thing can happen with you when you are trying to run the examples from sample NX Open applications, but that is perfectly fine. Oops. it is still not working for me, then what I can do best is try one more time. Yeah, this time I managed to select the edges. I have selected two edges and I will click on apply. You can see two chamfers are created, and this is the another section in this dialog which can remove the created chamfers. So what I need to do, I need to select chamfers to remove this particular block. I have to select, and then I can pick up the chamfer to remove. I will pick up this chamfer and then I can click on apply. So you can see only this selected chamfer is removed. So this is how we can add the chamfers and even remove the chamfers from the same dialog. If you have added the chamfers manually into your part, still you will be able to remove those from here. So that's it in this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks a lot for watching.